This is the devil. Hey y'all, so today I'm about to make some bomb ass banana pudding. So let's get started. Alright, so what you will need is, in this bowl I have my egg yolks already separated. You're gonna need some melted butter, vanilla, sugar, of course your Nilla wafers, flour all the way back there, milk, and cream cheese. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me just reach over here. Bam! You're going to need your Bacardi rum, period. So yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so to your egg yolks, you're going to add your room temperature cream cheese. You want to mix this up first, just so you can get them to marry together. Add your flour, your sugar. It looks like half of your milk. And you want to mix this in until incorporated. I'm going to add your Bacardi rum. I'm just eyeballing it. I added about 2 shots of it. You also want to add the rest of your milk and your butter. So mix this up. And now we're going to head to the stove and heat this up. Please do not boil this. You only want to heat it until it gets really thick. Do not boil it. Alright, so as you're going to see here, I already turned my stove on. I also switched to my plastic whisk. You want to pour your mixture in here. And this is probably the hardest part about making this pudding. You have to stand here and mix it continuously, probably for like 15 or 20 minutes. Alright, y'all. This is about 10 minutes. Mine took 10 minutes. I forgot to tell you guys what number I had my stove on. I had my stove on number 6. On my stove, it's number 6. So you want to do about a medium heat, continuously stirring. And look how thick this got. I'm going to actually get a spoon so you guys can know exactly where to stop at. As you can see, I did not boil it. Mine is not boiling. If you boil it, you're going to ruin it. You can see little bubbles here and there. That's fine, but don't boil it. You see how it coats the back of my spoon really nicely? That's exactly what you want. So at this point, we're going to season this up. Alright, so you're going to add a teaspoon of banana extract down in there. But y'all already know, you could taste it. If you feel like you want more banana extract or if you want more vanilla, taste it. Next, you want to add a pinch of salt. When I say a pinch, I mean a pinch. And probably a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You don't need much. The salt is just going to help to bring out some of the flavors. Alright guys, this is what it looks like once I'm done. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for a few hours so it can set up and be ready to go. Next, I added some homemade whipped cream. I could put a recipe down below. However, you can use your preferred whipped cream on top of here. Smear it all over the top. And then I don't know how to decorate, so I just did this little pat thing to make the top look rough. Because on top of that, you're going to add some more vanilla wafers crushed, so it could give you that nice effect. So that's pretty much all I did, guys. I guess the thing that stand out the most for me was the banana extract. Immediately when I cut it or went in there, I really smelled the banana extract and it just smells so amazing. As you can see, the pudding looks great on the inside. The whipped cream looks great on top. I just can't wait to dig in and try it. Yes, what a slow-mo, honey. Yes. Oh my goodness, this looks so creamy. So creamy, y'all. Mm. Oh my God. Y'all. Mm. I, mm-mm. 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 This is the devil. This is why I don't make desserts. I don't make them because I'm not supposed to be eating them. And I don't really like dessert type things like that anyway. But this banana pudding, I understand you can make it from the box. I know that. I understand you can do the 5-minute recipe. I know that. But making it from scratch is a whole different experience. And this is amazing. I hope you guys give it a try, and I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.